Yo, what's the dealio, man? Listen, you already know I got a banger for you today, all right? So listen, happy Monday. It's the top of the week. In this video, what I want to talk about is how $100 can help you fire your job, quit your job, become financially free, ultimately retire, and make you rich and eventually wealthy, right? All by focusing on $100, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna break some things down for you guys, and hopefully this clears everything up. All right. So if you guys are watching, do me a favor and like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. All right. Now, this principle, this lesson, this is something that you can take with you in your personal life, in your financial life, in your trading life, in your investing life, all of it. All right. All of it. So let's get into it, right? There is a misconception that you have to get the most every time that you do something, right? And what I mean by that is like get in a trade, invest in anything, right? You got to get the biggest return possible. That one investment, but that's not the case, right? So let me ask you guys a question, right? I know that everybody says make $100 a day in trading, right? That's like the thing that you guys see, right? $100 a day, $100 a day. But watch this. How many people on average, right? The average trader, does the average trader have $25,000 in their account? I will wait. I know for a fact the average day trader, right? When we factor everybody in trading, does not have $25,000 in their account, right? So watch this. Why did I use the number 25,000? Because there is 252 trading days per year, right? Follow what I'm saying here. There's 252 trading days per year, right? So if you focus on making $100 per trading day, by the end of that year, you will have $25,000 instead of being negative $25,000 or negative $10,000 or negative $8,000 or negative $15,000, right? So follow what I'm saying here. The average trader does not have $25,000 in their trading account, right? But everybody is saying make $100 a day. So the numbers are off here. So what's going on? It's because people are not focusing on consistency, right? People are not focusing on consistency. They're focusing on trying to make the most amount of money every trade, and so that's why they lose big and they win big, or they lose big or they win a little bit, right? So let's break this down. If you are only focusing on $100 a day, let's just say your first year trading, you focus on $100 a day, okay? Let's say you start off with $1,000 in your account. If you make $100 a day, right, times 252, right? Let's do some math real quick. That is $25,200. Let's say you still have a job. Where else are you going to make an extra $25,000 without having to work, without having to do a lot? Okay? Now watch this though. This does not include, this is on average. What if you average the $100 a day, but you have days, what if you have 7 different days a month where you make $300 that day? That's an extra $200 on top of your average, right? And if you add that into this could be 40K. This could be 50K, right? And that's only year one, right? So let's just be modest and say in year one, you make 25K. If you could make 25K and have that in your trading account, you are already in the top of traders. I know some people may say no, but I need you guys to understand there are not a lot of traders making millions of dollars, right? There's not. There's not a lot of traders. Investing, yes, right? Long-term swings, absolutely. But when we're looking at all the data, right, most people are not making that. You have people that are making a lot of money, then you have people that are making no money or losing money. But what about the middle, right? And so when you understand, okay, if I focus on $100 a day for my first year, that's going to ensure you don't lose, right? It's going to keep your disciplines intact. And then what happens is it allows you to build up a nest egg, right? It allows you to build up a nest egg. So if you could put yourself in a position where now you went from having 1,200 in there, a year later you got 25,000 in there. Now what you can do is in 3 months you can double that 25K, if not sooner. But I like to be modest. I'm very modest and conservative. So then you build up that 25K, and now you can go make, let's just say, $500 a day. And now if you make $500 a day and that's your norm, let's do the math real quick. Let's say you make $500 a day and we got 252 trading days in a year. That's 126K in a year on top of the initial 25,000. So now we at 150 in our account. So in 2 years, you could be at a place where you got 150K, all from focusing on $100 a day. All from focusing on $100 a day. Now the key is not needing the money. That is a big portion of it. Not needing the money, right? And then another key is focusing on the consistent wins. The consistent wins, the consistent wins. Not allowing you to lose a whole bunch of money until you can get there, right? And you could grow. So if you focus on $100 a day, 6 months later, 7, 8 months later, you might be up, let's just say 12, 15K. You may make an extra 15K in 3 more months because your account is bigger, your skill set has gotten better, and you can leverage more, right? There's a reason why the more money you have in your trading account, the easier it is to make money. Because you could go throw 2,000 in there. Let's say you got 50K in your account. You could go throw $1,000 at a trade, and it could be a high risk. If you got 50K in there, you're not worried about losing $1,000. So now your mind is going to be cleared up, right? And then you're gonna be open to holding that position maybe a little longer. And now what if that trade becomes a 500% return? Now you just made $5,000, right? So it's important to understand when you are in this trading world and you're in stock options. I'm not talking about like Forex or futures with funded accounts. I'm talking about cash accounts. I'm talking about the people that are trading from their own money, and they're starting with that, right? That's who I'm talking to, and that's what I'm talking about. If you focus on $100 a day for your first year, you're going to get down a system where you can make $100 a day. And then down the road, that $100 a day is going to turn into $200, $250 a day, right? And then you're going to be able to go make $50K a year. And then that's going to compound and it's going to snowball. And that's going to turn into, $150K a year. And then you're going to have 50K months, 30K months, 40K months. And then you're going to eventually, if you stick it out and continue to learn, you're going to get to a point where you're making $75,000, $100,000 a month. It's people that's making $1 million a month. It's people making $300,000, $400,000, $500,000 for $300,000 or $400,000, $500,000 a month. So there's a lot of money to be made in the stock market, but you have to understand where like small beginnings. Start small, right? Start consistent and be focused and be disciplined on that part right there. Know when to walk away. If you up $140 on a day, right? Even if something look good, you got to learn how to discipline yourself, because if you always are up and then later on in the day you end up being down, your account is never going to grow. So it's like focus on $100 a day. Focus on getting your account up to 25K in a year. That is a great goal. It's 252 trading days a year. $100 a day. That's a guaranteed 25K a year. If you do that for 1 year, now you got 25K, and you could take that 25K and you could flip that 25K and you could have a full-time income by leveraging that 25K every single month. And then you could take the profits and put it in your long-term, investments. This is how you can do it, but it all starts small by focusing on $100 a day. If you focus on the $100 a day, the $1,000 days will come for sure, guaranteed. It's just going to be a matter of time, right? And the time is going to be predicated on your own personal psychology, right? Your own personal psychology. So listen, y'all. I hope that blessed you. I hope that made sense, right? If you made it to this part of the video, I want you to type in 25K. Put 25K in the comments, y'all. All right, 25K, that's what's going in the comments. If you made it here, put that in there, right? So I know that you made it to the end. But focus on $100 a day, or if your account is larger, focus on $250 a day, right? If your account is even larger, focus on $300 a day. But start with $100 a day. Once you can prove to yourself that you can make $100 a day like clockwork, that's when you start to say, okay, now I'm going to increase that target. And then you just keep going and going and going, right? So I hope that helped. I hope that blessed you guys today. All right. Like I always say, make sure you get up out of your head, go get into this world, because your head is a dangerous place to live. All right. And also remember, the more you study, the less you worry. All right. I'm going to catch you guys on tomorrow's video. Y'all stay smooth, man. Peace.